Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Knowing your true heart rate is key for really effective training, helping you hit those fitness goals with precision. While your Garmin watch does a good job, a chest strap offers incredibly accurate data, far superior to wrist-based sensors. This short guide, updated for 2025, will show you exactly how to connect your Garmin chest strap, ensuring you get the most reliable insights from every single workout. Let's get that connection solid and reliable. Before you dive into pairing, a few quick checks make all the difference for a smooth connection. First, just be sure your chest strap has a fresh battery, as a weak one can definitely cause issues. Then, lightly moisten the electrode pads on the back of your strap. This is crucial for the electrical signals to transmit properly. Finally, position the strap comfortably around your chest, directly below your pectorals, right against your skin. Now, let's get that strap talking to your Garmin device. Begin by navigating to the settings menu right on your compatible Garmin watch or head unit. From there, you'll want to select Sensors and Accessories, which is where all your external devices are managed. Next, choose Add New, and your Garmin device will immediately start searching for any available ANT Plus or Bluetooth sensors nearby, including your chest strap. Once your Garmin device detects the chest strap, simply select it from the list of available sensors to initiate the pairing process. You'll quickly see a confirmation message appear on your screen, letting you know that your strap is now successfully connected and ready to transmit data. After this, just start your desired activity profile, and your precise heart rate information will automatically display, coming directly from your new connected chest strap. Occasionally, you might encounter a small hiccup, but don't worry, troubleshooting is usually quite simple. If the connection fails, double-check that your strap's electrodes are still moist and your watch's Bluetooth is active. Sometimes, a quick restart of both your Garmin device and the chest strap, by briefly removing and reinserting the battery, can resolve most issues. Also, remember to always disconnect the strap from your watch after your workout to help conserve battery life for both devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.